Day 42 of day trading the market open in a small account. Morning, everybody. Morning. We got about 2 minutes until the market opens here. We have IBG making some moves. This was absolutely soared pre-market. Went from like 70 cents up to $1.70. 140% move in that run there. So we'll see what happens. It topped out, like I just mentioned, at, it topped out at 183. Okay. So let's actually adjust that because every penny counts. Oh, and now my Zoom's going to get stuck. There we go. All right, so we got about a minute until the market opens. This very well could come down and test VWAP. It is. Let's change the 5-minute chart real quick. Yeah, we're in this range here pretty much down till 127. So, one could argue backside, depends on which one of these like upside formations you're looking at. So we'll see what happens. 138. And then I want to look at Saidu too. Saidu's a previous runner. We have SMBF. Ooh, SMBF breaking VWAP. That's interesting, actually. SMBF breaking VWAP. Didn't we trade this recently? Did we not trade this recently? Maybe not. Maybe not. I was going to say I want to watch Saidu. That's a previous runner. The daily chart looks a lot better. We're going to switch to Saidu for now. Plus, I want to see if this lower band's here, like 155 or like 153. We also have this daily support level around 156. So let's see what happens. Maybe we catch a nice panic flush there. Again, trying to hold that panic flush a little longer. Okay. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Much appreciated. Whatever I did yesterday seemed to really resonate with people. If I'm doing something that you guys like, let me know, because it's kind of hard to figure out what everybody wants. All right, Saidu dropping down, 157. Oh, what are we doing here? Okay, fumbled the order a little bit. Lower band's at 154. That's 4 cents down. That's $40 away from here. 200-day moving average is at 153. IBG trying to make moves. IBG. Dang, can't be quick enough on these things, can I, right now? Saidu just chilling, has sellers at 158. Doesn't look like a candidate right now. Let's check on SMBF. Oh, missed the lower band on SMBF. Shoot, dude. SBFM. Looks like I ended up watching the wrong stock after all. SBFM. Dang. Very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. It's alright. Can't let it. Don't let it haunt you, kid. Dang, lower band was right on top of a daily level too. You gotta be more mindful of that. Gotta be more mindful of that. I can do it again. If it comes back down, do it again. The pop probably won't be as sexy. There's no way that just flashed down to 142. Okay, watching here. Watching. Looking at the 5-minute chart, it looks like the candle pretty much, did the same thing at 6:15 a.m. this morning. which I guess is 5:15 my time. This thing's got to break 160. There he goes, testing 160. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. IBG, are you gonna make moves? There's a break of 160. I'll see if it holds. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You know, this is kind of unfortunate considering the exciting day we had yesterday. All right. And maybe a lot of them seem to happen on penny stocks. So maybe we watch some pennies. Pennies, SBF. HEPA. Oh, and I say that, then IBG trying to halt down. That's ugly. That's going to be an ugly halt down because it's right under VWAP too. So you're going to probably see a lot of people trying to jump. All right, so focus might be moving away from here, but where's it going to go? Where's the day trader focus going to go? Come on, flush down SBFM. I want another lower band chance. I want a shot at the title. Let's go to HEPA. So this was a fake breakout and a flush down, so I'll look for something similar. Decent movement here for a penny stock. That's 14% from 60 cents up to 69 cents. Ooh. Yo, SBFM. I'm going to get ready in case it flushes down. Nice candle. Let's see if it holds. What was pre-market high on this thing? Did I even map out pre-market high? I did not. 383. Got another issue right here. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. Okay. Gladly welcome any flush from SBFM. HEPA testing VWAP. Two topping tails here for SBFM. Is the bottom going to fall out of it like it did here on this candle? Or are we going to push through 362? Ugh. Fingers ready on the trigger if the bottom falls out. Ideally, like to get in near 3. Perfect entry would be like 298, 297. But hey, who looks for perfect entries, right? And HEPA needs to clear 60, like 65 cents again. Okay, tape speeding up. SBFM, nice break. Another topping tail. Maybe it wasn't a nice break after all. Maybe it was just a break. SB, it's up 72% now. Okay, it's trying to get through. I'm not taking these candles, based on my current market conditions, I'm not taking these. I'm not just going to keep trying to tick the 1 minute to make a new high on the way up. And on the pullback, maybe. I guess that would have been here. All right, testing pre-market highs. Ooh, this is showing some strength here through that level. Maybe not. See, this is one reason why I don't want to be playing these 1 minute to make a new highs, because I feel like I would get shaken out right over that 383 level. I mean, what's the likelihood of me actually getting out at 390 that fast? I mean, it had to be quick. Here we go. Flush down. Flush, flush. Big, more red. I was hoping that was going to come on the same candle. That's a nasty. Here we go, SPFM. Here we go. Come on down. More. I'm getting greedy. I'm not doing a VWAP bounce here. Nope. Nope. Let's check on the IBG resumption. You know, this thing might, it's going to open at 133. We got to watch for a bear trap to start to form over here on IBG after this baby opens. Here it is. Here's the opening, 140. Need it to kind of form a base and start building some momentum to create that bear trap. And it looks like it's not quite done falling yet. Okay. Maybe not. Bottoming wick there for IBG. Do we think these shorts have been cooked on that way up? Or do we think there's still some holding and still some adding up in this range? That is a pretty valid question we need to figure out. If we're going to keep playing the 1 minute to make a new high on SBFM. Okay, IBG trying to show some signs of life with that bottoming wick. Tape speeding up on SBFM. Let's see who wins this. Bulls or Bears. 1 minute's at 371. Okay, IBG. Seeing you, homie. Seeing you. Here's 140. 138. There's 140, 141. I don't want to get in too early and then just get ping pong down. Hauled up at 148. Okay. Are we going to test it again? Yes, we are right now. Ooh. Here we go. Come on, SPFM. IBG on the bear trap. Potential halt up. SPFM. I was too chicken to play that all in one candle, though. But, hey. 15, 14. 14. No, it needs to be lower. We have plenty of time left in this candle. This needs to be lower. Come on down. Come on down. Don't bottom wick here. Don't bottom wick here. You need to be lower. 311. You need to be closer, way closer to 3. Still time in this candle for it to happen. Come on. Come on with it. 2 seconds. That's a shame. That's a shame. $15. 15 again. $3.18, $3.17, $3.16, $12.11. Needed to be closer to 3. Got the 309. I'm not willing to risk $90 there. So I take 1,000 shares and it comes down to 3. You know, that's $90 risk there. Okay, well, unfortunately, it didn't do exactly what we wanted. Like, we missed over here, but it is okay. There'll be more opportunities. Now, IBG, what are we going to do here? So IBG on the halt up, buyers 320. It's at 324. Let's see if those buyers hold. This could come test VWAP at 339, 340. You know, in hindsight, that would have been like a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but it's okay. So what are we going to do with this halt up? This halt up, it's halted up in a range, which is not super ideal. This can be removed. This has to break. That has to break. 154. Resumption price showing 150, which is basically flat. VWAP at 140. MACD trying to curl, but not on front side yet. Let's see. Let's see what happens. We have about 2 minutes until IBG opens up. So second halt down, halt up. Okay. All right, that's something I didn't think about. The halt down. All of these bears, are they getting out now or are they about to be underwater? They're going to get scared up at 175. I don't know if they're quite scared yet here at 150. But that's definitely something to keep in mind. Any of the bears, we want to squeeze them out and we want to get in on that action, that squeeze. And I think I think the move past 163 is gonna when they would actually start to panic there. So let's see what happens. Let's just see. The theory is always important for the trade. $30 seconds for IBG. $15 seconds for IBG. Okay, so the opening is at 150. VWAP 140. Pressure on shorts around probably 163. No real dip. Halt up is at 170. Next halt up, that is. What did I get filled at? I hit that key way early. and it didn't show my fill until I got a fill at 164. I'm gonna let this cook for a little bit. That was garbage. I hit that key way before 164, but that's okay. It's all right. We're gonna let this chill for a little bit because I want to see these. This is that pressure area I was talking about. I took half off. Sweet. Very nice. Very nice. Lock in this halt up. Look at these buyers coming in. I took half off just to reduce some risk. Of course, I didn't know it would be going right into a halt, but that's good because I don't. You never know what's going to happen when the halt resumes. So this could easily open down. So taking half off is perfectly fine. I saw green coming in on the tape, so I took half off at 168. And remember, that was in this area that I was saying was going to create pressure for shorts here, right in that area there. And it did, and it looks like some shorts are going to get squeezed here. So I might hold on to these shares a little longer. Pre-market highs at 183. Right now we're showing a resumption bid at 190, ask at 193. So this could be very, 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 very nice. Let's get rid of this. But remember, this was that short area. This is that area that I said if it gets over 163, it's going to cause some serious problems for shorts. You know, we were talking about the theory during the halt up. I said, you know, are shorts really going to be scared? First of all, big old chicken on my part. I called this bear trap. Not that it matters, because people like in the trading world, they're like, oh, I called it, and nothing really matters. Nobody really knows what's going to happen. But I said I want to watch to be sure. I want to watch to see if a bear trap forms. But I didn't take it on this first candle because I felt that it was too risky to reject off of EMA and then just come crashing down. So I didn't take it. Then it went into a halt up. So my first original idea trade was this bear trap here over VWAP. It was at 140, and now the stock's at 193. So, you know. But I was wondering, are shorts really going to be concerned at this 150 area, even though they've been kind of piling in since 183 here? Look at that topping tail. And then really, well, yeah, that 183 came all the way down to 134. So shorts here were eaten. That's about a, no, that was a poor choice of terminology. They were feasting. It's about a 30% drop. So, okay. So we move that to over here. We see it comes up, tests 175. It looks like they reloaded the clip here. Reloaded the clip. They might have got greedy on this halt down, thinking that this thing was going to absolutely crash. Because remember, this stock has been up since like I think 70 cents today, 68 cents today. So I'm not going to try to play this into another halt. I am going to jump probably on the resumption here, regardless of what happens, and just lock it in. So we'll see. We'll see. Well, I don't know. I mean, because I definitely want to get out on this on the selling, excuse me, on the buying pressure, because if shorts are trying to get out, which forces them to buy, forces them to cover, this stock should continue up. Is it gonna break 2 though? Is it gonna break the psychological whole dollar? We're at the area where the foot is on the neck of the shorts. So I think I'm just going to take the Monets. Got about a minute left. I'm going to try to get out on the squeeze. Because I would think this is opening a little bit higher. I would think shorts are going to try to immediately cover. I could be totally wrong. Let's see what happens. Again, the theory is always important. Ooh, bids. Bids went down to 175 there, so that's going to be tricky. All right, so 15 seconds ish. Let's watch this carefully. $10, still game time. Any red on the tape, I'm gonna jump ship. Okay, did this get the 10-minute halt? Don't tell me I got the 10er. Still have the fingers on the trigger in case it's just a late open. SBFM rejection off of VWAP. That thing's gonna maybe crash and test 3 finally, hopefully. Well, that doesn't. I don't want to say hopefully because, hey, I got a lot of cheddar left. It's all right. This looks like this might be a one trade day. All right, this looks like it got a 10er. 10er halt. 10-minute halt. So it should open up at 9:58 in 39 seconds. All right, gangsters. Looking for them dollar bills. Looking for the dollar bills. And we're looking to drop the Jordan. That's what we're looking at right now with this open. Three minutes. Let's just search some stock halts real quick. Well, we got time. What are we trading? Oh yeah, IBG. Yep, just a normal volatility trading pause. You know, I didn't even read the news on this. Trading higher if the company announced a distribution with the top national alcohol company to expand its reach into U.S. markets. Okay. What's your market cap? Your market cap is 15 million. The company's only worth 15 M's, which that doubled today. That more than doubled today. It was worth 7 M's before this day started. Two minutes until the open. IBG's up 255%. You know what? Maybe I'd take half off. Maybe I'd take half off immediately and then let the other half chalupa. Chalupa Supreme. SBFM. Is it going to reject again? EMA is not showing any promising movements there, but that could change. MACD also looks pretty stagnant. I also have to be mindful that there are going to be buyers like me who will be getting out, causing selling pressure as well. But this thing should open above pre-market highs. Who's going to win that battle? Profit takers? Are profit takers really going to pull this thing down? Or are people going to want to jump in because this is breaking pre-market high on halt up, on a resumption? I don't care. Let's just do it. We're in a good position either way. Unless I totally fumble this bag. That'd be something. 1 minute. 1 minute until the open. Not the open. 1 minute until IBG resumption. Okay, the bids dropped a little bit, 187. All right, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Might just be happy with the trade and just take the profit. See how it does with that 183, I suppose. I'm going to take half off the table immediately, though. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. Yes, I like it. Whoa, 100. I didn't even look at my P&L. 141 Bone Thugs and Harmony, baby. Let's go. Let's go. That's a Jordan. That'll be a Jordan. Swoosh. Let's go. Dollar bills, y'all. All right. I immediately took half off. This thing is going to halt down. Give me a false halt, though, because I got cheddar. I got extra cheddar. Give us a false halt. I'm going to recap this in just 1 second. I just want to see if this false halts down. All right, halt down. Yes, baby, let's go. Let's go. What a trade. What a trade. All right, so let's recap this whole thing again. Oh, there's the test I wanted. Test of 3. Oh, you SOB. Missed the stock twice today. Anyways. So it was a halt down. The stock is up 100-something%. From this morning, it went from 68 cents. It went up 160% here in just that move up. Bears stepped in, dropped the price. Pretty decent amount. Then it was just kind of stagnant. It looks like bears reloaded the clip here off this double rejection, off this daily resistance level. It came down. Market opened. It was ping-ponging back and forth. Couldn't pick direction. Flash crashed down. Halted underneath VWAP. Okay. After that opened, I mentioned I wanted to look for a bear trap. You know, ideally that would have been taking this trade over VWAP, but I was too much of a chicken to do that all in one candle because, of course, this is a small account and you only have a handful of trades, right? We all know that. So didn't take that trade. It ended up halting up on the next minute at 149. It looks like it resumed here. And I had mentioned that I wasn't sure if the bears that had got in from this area here were going to be feeling anxious or nervous about their position, or the bears that had got in here feeling anxious or nervous in their position, considering it almost looked like they reloaded the clip here and they looked like they were going to get maybe greedy and cash out on the stock after it halted down, and especially halted down underneath the VWAP. The bear trap happened, it formed, it halted up above it, the resumption happened, and that area of where I couldn't decide if this 150 area was going to create bear panic or was really break this 163. I thought it was going to be the break of the 163 because I had to kind of change my strategy after I missed this bear trap. So I went with this 163 break. I actually got in at 164. It gave me a really late fill and it immediately showed me up like 40 cents, which was kind of odd because the minute I hit the trigger, I felt like I hit it for the anticipation of the break of 163. I didn't think I hit it after, but you know, it is what it is. I took half size off in this pressure area that I thought bears were getting pressured, so buying was coming in. I took half off just to reduce risk, which ended up being nice because it went into a halt up. Because you never know, halt ups are very unpredictable. There's no guarantee that they're going to go straight up. So I took half off there. This thing resumed. I immediately took half off the table. As I said I was going to, although my mind was kind of flip-flopping back and forth. Right before the resumption happened, I decided I was going to take half off. I took half off, and then I saw some red on the tape come in, and I took the other half off. That was right around the area where it wasn't holding that 190 area. So it looks like I got out here at 188. And then it panic flushed and into a halt down. So good exit. I'm up 141 bucks on the day on the small count. Great start to the month. That's 2 green days in a row. We're up about 170 Bone Thugs and Harmony on the month for the small account. Thank y'all so much for being here. Drop a like. I appreciate y'all. Drop a comment. Let me know how y'all did. Spread love. Be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace.